okay?
Yeah.
It's coming?
Perfect. Perfecto.
Testing. 1 2 1 2.
Yay!
I'm just checking audio. Finally, it is here.
Yay!
It's finally here. Finally. If you guys remember in the previous video, I had told you that instead of buying the exhaust, I had spent 1 lakh on buying a new helmet. And it is finally here. This is the helmet of my dreams.
Well, here goes. Let's start unboxing. देखो भाई A-star, but to be very honest, I expected better quality because if you see this cardboard and all na, I don't know if the guy who I bought it from has opened it up and then screwed it up or kya hai. I think this is the pin lock. Yeah, this is the pin lock. India. This is the famous bag that we have heard of, A-star again. Yeah, Alpinestars Supertech. Bag का quality भी, तुम यार, to be very honest, if I'm being absolutely critical, I'm not having the greatest experience, because I thought the quality is going to be much better, because that helmet which I had got, the empty helmet, that bag is really nice. So anyway, let's see what's inside. This is their normal road spoiler, not the race spoiler. The race spoiler comes attached, and this is the road spoiler. ये visor है. हाँ, one thing I wanted to tell you guys is, now where I bought the helmet from is Moto Madras Accessories. Okay, so he got it to me sourced from US, whatever his contacts are. Now he received the helmet with obviously the clear visor fitted, but I specially requested him that please change it to the dark smoke visor and then send it to me. So he has already made the swap. A huge shout out to Moto Madras Accessories because they have been really helpful through this entire process. I think this is your chin curtain. I don't know why this is out. And here goes. निकालो. यार इतना गंदा क्यों है यार? Here it is. बाप रे, कुछ अलग ही दिख रहा है dude. Look at this. It's very lightweight. To be very honest, it's very lightweight. Me being so used to the helmet that I normally wear, that is the empty helmet. Empty helmet is very heavy. My back hurts, my neck hurts, especially when I wear it for long distances. But this is very lightweight. See, so like I told you, he's already fitted this dark smoke visor and sent it to me. But ये chin curtain नहीं लगाया, so I'll just fit the chin curtain. But yeah, Supertech R10 Martinator helmet. That is what it is. So now let's come to the actual helmet and where I bought it from. So this is the limited edition Martinator helmet. Okay, so if you guys go on their website as well, the Alpinestars website, they have 3 or 4 helmets which they've recently launched, which are racing replicas. Okay, you have your Jack Miller edition, you have your Pedro Acosta edition, you have your Martinator edition, of course, Martinator being their supreme brand ambassador now that he's won the world championship. But there you see Martinator. But yeah, so considering that I really love Jorge Martin, I wanted this helmet. Okay, so this helmet costed me a total of 1.3 lakh. Okay, 1,30,000, and also 1,30,000 only because I went through Moto Madras Accessories. If you go to superbikestore.in or if you go through any other source in India, trust me, I'm telling you, you will have to pay at least 1.5 lakh. I already have a friend in Vizag, in our gang in Vizag, the Superbike gang. There, that person has hand carried it personally from the US, but the price that he paid was 1.6 lakh. Okay, so he personally bought it, physically went to the store and bought it, and he paid 1.6 lakhs. And me, having ordered it from India after all the import duties, the taxes and the customs, I have only paid 1.3. So a huge shout out to Moto Madras Accessories. However, one thing you need to know is it has a long waiting period. Okay, so he had told me, I first had this conversation with him I think in the last week of February, and he told me it's going to arrive in the first week of March, but it has taken time till now. So I received it I think on 16th March, and now I'm shooting this video today. So this is the helmet. I can't wait to take it out on the road and see what all the hype is about the weight of it, the aerodynamics of it, and everything. It looks absolutely epic. So a lot of videos coming up for you guys on the channel. Please do subscribe to the channel. Some of the videos which I've thought of is I'll be doing a comparison between this Alpinestars helmet and the empty helmet that I already have. First of all, to check the weight of it, the design of it, and also how comfortable it is to wear these helmets and ride on the road. That is one video which will be coming out soon, and also to give you real world impression of this helmet. Okay, so I'll be wearing this helmet and gunning down the road, and I want to see if it actually makes a difference and if it is actually worth the hype, or if you might as well just go for an empty which is just 40,000, which is 1/3 the price, right? Finally, Alpinestars Supertech helmet is mine. The color is so good. I actually, when I saw the images first, when I saw it, I was blown away. I fell in love with it. Then, as always, as with everything else in life, you start overthinking, and I thought, okay, fine, maybe zyada hi purple hai. It's too purpley, maybe it will not be nice. But it's got kind of a matte look to it, especially this blue color. Purple is thoda glossy, but overall, it's looking really nice. बहुत लाइट है. I still can't believe this is 1.5 lakh. बहुत हल्का है भाई, बहुत हल्का है. So that was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you really like this helmet as much as I did, because it looks super cool. That was the video. I hope you liked it. Please do hit the like button. Please do subscribe to the channel. And as always, we will meet on the next video. Bye bye.